Hello everyone, Pickle here. My past few fun fact videos have been really fun to make, and so I'm doing a fourth one, although after this there will probably be another history video. This video is all about metals, one of the most commonly used materials. Before we start though, are you subscribed? Almost 99% of the people who watch my YouTube videos aren't. And if you want to know whenever I post a video, subscribing is the best way to do that, and you can even turn on notifications so you get notified the moment I post. With no further ado, let's get started. Although you've probably never heard of it, palladium is the most valuable metal, passing famous ones like gold, silver, and platinum. Why so expensive, you ask? Well, in cars, it is used to filter out pollution, so in countries like China, cars are slowly being forced to use more and more to make the environment better. If you want to know what the toughest metal is, that's a bit tricky. There's multiple ways to measure, and one which exceeds in one category won't be great in another. For example, tungsten, which is the highest tensile strength, or how good it is resisting being pulled apart. However, tungsten is incredibly weak when it comes to impact strength, or resisting a blow and absorbing energy. If you want a high impact strength metal, then titanium is the strongest. The most malleable metal, or flexible metal, is gold. An ounce of gold can be spread so thin as to cover 300 square feet, and can even be hammered into gold leaf, which is so thin it's even transparent. The least malleable, or most brittle element is nickel. A penny, although it used to be entirely made out of copper, and still appears to be that way, actually isn't made out of 100% copper anymore. It's now just a 5% copper shell with an inner core of zinc. However, that wasn't enough, as due to inflation, the penny cost 1.5 cents to produce, making them pretty much worthless as money. The wheels on the newest Mars rover, Perseverance, has wheels made out of aluminum, which can also be used in computers and soda cans. Some metals you can eat are iron, copper, which can be in protein, and more, although one strange one is gold. While gold not providing any health benefits can be edible, and some people like using it as paint for cakes at weddings or other big events. Metals make up most of the periodic table of elements, being around 80% of the total table. That's 94 metals of the 118 elements. Some of these have special properties, like mercury, which is liquid, or iron, which is magnetic. An alloy is a special type of metal, which is a combination between multiple metals, like bronze, which is tin and copper, or steel, which is iron and carbon. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I worked really hard to make these, and it would mean a lot if you did. But with all that said, I'll see you later for some more fun facts.